Guys, Miguel here, another quick video on this 3rd gen 4Runner. Today's video is gonna be a DIY mount for these recovery tracks. This is an X-Bull recovery track, $69 on Amazon. I'm gonna throw the link on the description. I was actually more interested in making my mount than actually having it. And since I was running out of things to get for this thing, I figured I'd get it and have fun making the mount. I didn't want to buy the mount for $27, so I went to Lowe's and I got some black carriage bolts right there, 4 of them. And if you go over on the other side, I've got a 2x4 over here where I drilled a hole and ran the carriage bolts through, and the carriage bolt head is big enough so that it actually doesn't need a washer on the inside. 2 additional carriage bolts on top just to keep them tight together on the top part. I got them longer because I wanted to put another piece of metal over here and over here, like a strap, to kind of like strap it together. I don't think it's necessary. I'm gonna go see how it does on the freeway, but for the most part, another strap over here to go on to here would be nice, but for the most part it's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, let me see if I can get a better video of it from behind. Gobi ladder. Let's see. So pretty much that's what it looks like from behind. Just drilled 2 holes on the stud, sandwiched it in. I was trying to find something other than a stud, but I was trying to keep this on a minimum. I had the stud already. You know, I paid about $8 for the hardware, and that was that. Hopefully this video was helpful. Posting the Amazon link for that thing, 69 bucks right now, but I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching.